Mini egg muffins. Whisk together eggs with a splash of milk and a pinch of salt. Pour the mixture into greased mini muffin cups and add diced cooked ham or turkey and shredded cheese. Bake until set. These bite-sized muffins are perfect for little hands and provide a protein-packed snack or meal option. Chicken and vegetable rice casserole. Cook diced chicken breast with mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, and corn. Mix in cooked rice and a creamy sauce made from milk and cheese. Bake until bubbly. This comforting casserole combines the goodness of chicken, veggies, and grains in one wholesome dish. Egg and cheese breakfast quesadillas. Spread scrambled eggs and shredded cheese between two small tortillas. Cook in a skillet until the cheese melts and the tortillas are golden brown. Cut into wedges and serve with a side of salsa or avocado for dipping. These quesadillas are a tasty twist on a classic breakfast favorite. Turkey and veggie meatballs. Combine ground turkey with finely chopped vegetables like spinach, carrots, and bell peppers. Roll into small meatballs and bake until cooked through. Serve with a dipping sauce made from Greek yogurt mixed with a touch of honey and mustard. These meatballs are packed with protein and veggies, perfect for little ones. Egg and avocado toast soldiers. Cut whole grain toast into strips soldiers and serve with soft boiled eggs and mashed avocado for dipping. This fun and nutritious breakfast option provide healthy fats from avocado and protein from eggs, making it a satisfying meal for toddlers. Beef and bean chili. Cook ground beef with diced onions, bell peppers, and kidney beans in a flavorful tomato-based sauce. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. This hearty chili is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, perfect for chilly days. Mini chicken and cheese quesadillas. Fill small tortillas with cooked shredded chicken and shredded cheese. Fold in half and cook until golden brown in a skillet. Cut into wedges and serve with a side of guacamole or sour cream for dipping. These mini quesadillas are packed with protein and calcium, ideal for growing toddlers. Egg and veggie pancakes. Mix grated vegetables like zucchini, carrots, and spinach into pancake batter along with beaten eggs. Cook until golden brown and serve with a drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of yogurt. These veggie-packed pancakes are a creative way to sneak in extra nutrients into your toddler's diet. Turkey and cheese roll-ups. Spread cream cheese onto small tortillas and layer with thin slices of turkey and cheese. Roll up tightly and slice into bite-sized pinwheels. These roll-ups are easy to make and provide a good balance of protein and carbohydrates, perfect for a quick snack or lunch. Spinach and feta egg cups. Mix beaten eggs with chopped spinach and crumbled feta cheese. Pour the mixture into greased muffin cups and bake until set. These savory egg cups are loaded with protein and calcium.